We'll guide you through how to change paint bucket color in Photoshop. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for tutorials on changing the paint bucket color in Adobe Photoshop because they want a quick way to fill areas with specific colors for designs, edits, or corrections. Beginners especially need guidance to understand tool settings like tolerance and contiguous options, helping them achieve clean, accurate fills and improve their overall editing workflow. To change the paint bucket color in Photoshop, begin by opening Adobe Photoshop using the Windows Start button. Type Adobe Photoshop in the search bar, and when it appears, click Open to launch the program. Once it is open, click File on the top menu, then select Open to import your image. Browse your files, choose the image you want to edit, and click Open to load it into the workspace. Next, make sure the correct layer is selected in the Layers panel so your changes apply properly. After that, select the Paint Bucket tool by pressing G or by clicking it from the left toolbar. If you do not see it, right-click the Gradient tool and choose Paint Bucket tool from the options. Then, go to the bottom of the toolbar and click the Foreground Color box to open the Color Picker window. In this window, choose your desired color or enter a specific color code for accuracy. Once selected, click OK to confirm and set the new color. Now move your cursor to the area of the image you want to fill and click on that area to apply the chosen color. To control how much of the image is affected, adjust the tolerance setting in the top menu, which determines the range of similar colors that will be filled. You can enable or disable the contiguous option depending on whether you want only connected areas or all similar colors across the image to be filled. Continue clicking on different areas if you want to apply the color in multiple places. After filling, carefully review the result and make any necessary adjustments using the same tool or by undoing and retrying. Finally, click File and select Save As to save your edited image. Choose your preferred file format, name your file, and click Save to keep your changes. Before finishing, zoom in on areas to ensure the color fill looks and consistent without unwanted edges or gaps.